Hello, I am Iva Frank. I am a BORA chef and I'll show you how to clean the Tepan very quickly and easily. All you need for the cleaning is kitchen towels, your spatulas, a sponge, a bowl, ordinary tap water and vinegar and water mixture. First of all, take some kitchen paper and remove the excess oil. The extractor is already on because we have the cleaning mode on here, and that's about 70 degrees. That would be enough to create smells, and that's why the extractor is already activated. Next step is take the water, pour on some water, and now all you need is your spatula, and you can see instantly that everything that you would love to remove from the surface of the Tepan comes up by this chemical reaction of cool water on hot surface. And now just scrape everything off. Now take some kitchen paper again. What I do is I form it as a little roll, and then take this roll and get all the liquid to one corner, like that. This is how you can remove all the liquid in one. Now you can take the sponge with the rough side down and your water and vinegar mixture. Just pour on some water and vinegar onto the Tepan. Take your sponge, rough side down, and as the spatulas are quite, well, thin and sharp, you can put a lot of pressure using them. And now take your spatula, put a bit of pressure onto the sponge, go up and down, like that. The reason why you use vinegar is because vinegar comes with disinfection, neutralizes the smell and also the flavors. There you go. The Tepan is clean and ready to use again. So have fun with it.